Hello everybody, Sue here. Welcome back to our channel. We were given a gift of a Turkish cookbook recently, so I decided to try and cook a dish that would transform mince into the delicious Arap kebab. I am lucky to have a continental shop in the nearby town, which was where I could pick up the special ingredients I was going to need. I do hope you enjoy watching me create this dish. I'll put the quantities and ingredients in the notes as before, but the main ingredients you'll need are mince, you can use beef or lamb, onions, a tin of chopped tomatoes, tomato puree, parsley, salt and pepper, and some water. Oh, oops, I forgot the garlic. So here are the ingredients I got from the continental shop that make this dish. So we have some red pepper paste, a long green pepper, some red pepper flakes, an aubergine and a pomegranate. And to accompany the dish, some flatbreads and some thick natural youghurt. The quantities in this dish will feed around 4 adults. Now you need to peel and chop 3 onions. Next, cut your aubergine in half, as I'm doing here, and then cut each into approximate 1-inch pieces. With the flat edge of a large knife, bash your garlic, and then you need to finely chop. Here we cut up the long green pepper. If you can't get hold of one of these, you can use a normal green pepper or bell pepper as it's known in some parts of the world. And you just need to cut it up, as you can see me doing here, and remove the seeds. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to your pan and heat. And then add your chopped up onions and fry until soft and translucent over a gentle heat. Now it's time to add our mince. Now I've used 1 1/4 pounds or 500 grams of beef mince, but you can also use lamb mince for this. And you need to mix it with your onions and cook the meat until it's nice and brown. Now the mince is brown, it's time to stir in the chopped garlic and the green peppers. Give them a mix. And then we add our aubergine. Make sure your pan's big enough for this. It will all cook down, but it was a bit touch and go with mine at one point. Yes, things do go wrong in the kitchen sometimes, and I couldn't get into the pepper paste, so I had to attack it with a screwdriver and a pair of pliers because my hands weren't strong enough to open the lid. Anyway, I got in and I scooped the top layer of the paste off, just in case. The peppers and aubergines have cooked down a bit now, and in goes the pepper paste, a tablespoon of that. Mix that around a little, well, a bit more than this. Then a tin of chopped tomatoes. You can use fresh tomatoes if they're in season. And 12 fluid ounces of hot water, that's 360 millilitres. and then finally a tablespoon of tomato puree. This just all adds to the richness of the dish. Give a good stir. Add a lid and simmer for about half an hour. Then you can add a teaspoon of the red pepper flakes if you can get hold of them, and salt and pepper. After about an hour of cooking, your dish should look nice and rich like this one. Time to prepare the pomegranate, which will be used as an accompaniment to this dish. Now, I wasn't quite sure how to tackle this because I haven't prepared many pomegranates, and I started with a spoon. I've heard that you can bash it with a wooden spoon as well on the back, but apparently that makes a mess. Anyway, in the end, the best way was to try and turn it inside out and sort of just carefully tease the pomegranate seeds out. All that's then left to do is heat the flatbreads and dish up some natural yoghurt to accompany the dish as well. Sprinkle some parsley on the top. Now, you can also serve with rice if you'd prefer, but this was how we had it that evening. If you've enjoyed watching this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll be back with another one soon. Thank you. Until the next time.